Did you know that the easiest way to get a $10,000 per month Google AdWords grant has very little to do with digital marketing and trending products? Running super profitable Google Ads is way easier than you might think. I know it sounds crazy because we're so used to hearing about these so-called digital marketing gurus. Tell you it's all about how good your website looks and finding the perfect product to sell. And usually it is their product they want you to sell. And while having a website and a product to sell is important, I'm going to share 3 secrets with you today in this cutting-edge Google Ad Grants tutorial that is going to revolutionize the way you can make money from Google AdWords with a powerful Google AdWords grant. Hi, my name is Terry, and I am an online business owner who has helped entrepreneurs and small business owners get qualified for a free $10,000 per month Google AdWords grant. We get you a Google grant in less than 90 days. And with the help of my mentor Dave, we have helped hundreds of businesses receive $120,000 per year in free Google advertising with a Google advertising grant. So what is the secret to getting a Google grant fast? It's the most cutting-edge Google Ad Grant tutorial of its kind that actually gives you the 3 pillars of how you can receive a $10,000 per month grant in just 90 days. So in this Google Ad Grant YouTube tutorial, I'm going to share with you 3 secrets about how you can receive $120,000 per year or more in free Google advertising credit. And I know what you're probably thinking. This can't be real. How can anyone get $10,000 per month in free Google advertising in just 90 days? But again, I'm going to show you a great way you can apply for this grant, get approved and get amazing results. As a matter of fact, we have a 100% success rate in helping entrepreneurs and small business owners get this so-called elusive Google AdWords grant. So the first secret is specifically where you can find this Google Ad grant. The big idea here is how to know exactly where to go, and exactly what to do. That doesn't require any of the hard work. Don't worry. We tell you exactly where to find it and what to do and say. This is important because you need to say the right things to get approved fast. And you must have something valuable to offer so that Google knows you are providing a great product or service to the public. And to all the visitors that will be coming to you from your Google Ads. Yes, I will help you create your Google Ads too. The second secret is a sales funnel. Not a cool website. The main thing to understand here is that you need to know how to build profitable ads in your Google Ad account that make your business money while you're eating, sleeping, or even on vacation. This means you will have a super profitable way to get customers to buy from you almost automatically. Yes, I will help you with this too. The third secret is setting up your Google Ad account in a way that gets you automatically qualified for a Google advertising grant. How to place tiny little Google ads in text form on the internet that Google just loves, and that generates sales almost on autopilot. This is key, because without knowing how and where to place the right Google ads, your business will surely fail. Now I know what you're thinking. It's probably impossible for me to learn how to get a Google Ad grant and make money at it. Well, the tricky thing is that yes, it seems impossible, but it is not going to be. For you, it will be way easier than you think, because I will be helping you step by step all the way. And so I've discovered this profitable Google Ad Grant qualifying process, where you can almost effortlessly receive the $10,000 per month Google on average in about 90 days or less. That's over $330 per day or more. That's a little over $120,000 per year. This secret Google Ad Grant qualifying system is a real way for the average entrepreneur and small business owner to receive free money from Google every month. And we will have you outperforming your competition and generating profitable sales in no time, without the headaches of trying to figure out how to apply and qualify, without having to create a beautiful website, without having to be a paid Google Ads marketing guru, without any tech skills to set up your Google Ad account. You do not have to learn how to go through a complicated qualifying process, or worry about what to say in your Google Ads. You will not have to fill out a 100-page Google Grants application form, or worry about what to say or write on the Google Ad Grant application form. None of that. This is all about letting me and my team get you set up to easily receive the $10,000 per month Google grant. So you never have to worry about how you are going to pay for your advertising again. And dominate all of your competitors. By now, you can see how following this Google Advertising Grant tutorial, how you will have an ad testing budget that never ever dries up. So-called step-by-step paid advertising systems and Google Ad setup courses require you to do all the work yourself. And so, what this is going to do is set you up so that you can actually sit back and collect a steady stream of advertising dollars from Google, without all the headaches that may have tripped you up or stopped you from ever even trying in the past. Me and my mentor Dave as Google AdWords experts, who have rescued hundreds of businesses in less than 90 days, with the help of the Google Advertising Grant, are going to help you too. We'll be there to help guide you. What I do is show people how they can make their business more profitable by teaching them how to take the precise steps to qualify for a Google AdWords grant, combined with the perfect Google Ad account setup. This combination of a Google AdWords grant and a bulletproof Google Ad account will very quickly destroy your competition and turn your business into a money-making machine. This process has worked great for me and hundreds of others. And it will work for you too. With a little help us. Receiving a Google grant has skyrocketed the income of all of the businesses we have helped at an alarming rate. So what I've done is, I've taken all of the hard work out of qualifying and getting a Google Ad grant and packaged it up into one super powerful Google Ad grant tutorial step-by-step guidebook. If you click the link, you can join the countless other entrepreneurs and small business owners, just like you, who are receiving $333 every day to advertise their businesses for free. And it is changing their lives today. I honestly don't know how much longer we'll keep this Google Ad grant business rescue plan available, and these prices will probably go up. Because we want to keep the group small, so we can dedicate maximum support for all of our members. So when the membership fills up, we have to close the doors. So click the link to get in today while it's still available. We're always here to help. And I can't tell you all the amazing results we've gotten for new and even seasoned entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small business owners, just like you, who are struggling with paid advertising, generating sales and making money online. We also have the Elite Level 1 Google Ad Grant Business System, where we teach you how to get $3 to $10,000 Google Ad Grants. But today I'm talking about the Google Advertising Grant Business Rescue Plan System, which is simply amazing in itself. I can't wait to see you on the inside. Click the link now before it's too late.